Are humans still evolving? This question has been asked many times by many people. But today, we will uncover the facts behind this question. The evolution of humans has been a very controversial subject. Today, we will discover 4 facts proving that humans are, really, still evolving. First, we will see what drinking milk means for humanity. Then, we will see why are we losing our wisdom teeth. After that, we will notice that humans' brains are actually shrinking. Finally, we will notice that humans seem to be losing our body hair, and we will discover the reason why. First of all, milk. So what? We drink milk. But actually, milk has a surprising history to it. Here to tell you more about milk is my fellow reporter.
Hi, did you know that milk is the key sign to human evolution? Before we developed the genetic mutation that allowed us to digest lactose, humans could only drink milk until they stopped breastfeeding. But once humans started domesticating animals, we started developing the gene that allows us to drink milk. Humans that had this healthy advantage could pass on their genes more easily than people without it. So now, humans living in tougher conditions that can't digest lactose have a harder time passing these genes on, which is slowly canceling out the non-lactose gene.
Thank you, Ian, for that informative fact. Now, why we're losing our wisdom teeth is a whole nother story. Let me take you back thousands of years ago. The diet of humans consisted of tough roots and grainy meat, and we needed big, large molars to chew up this food and swallow it. Nowadays, though, our diet consists of a lot softer foods, like, applesauce, and so our mouth has acknowledged that we don't need these big, inconvenient molars anymore, and so that's why we've started to lose them. So far, we've covered 2 reasons why humans are still evolving. And now, the third, shrinking brains. Scientists have gone out into the field and measured ancient human skulls. After seeing their data, they've concluded that the ancient human's brain was a lot larger than the modern human's brain. This shows that our brains have been shrinking. We do not know what this could mean for humanity and what the effects of this are. But it is a sign that humans are evolving and our brain is changing in some way.
Finally, we will tell you our last point. Humans are getting less hairy because we simply just don't need that amount of hair anymore. We used to need it for warmth, but thanks to modern air conditioning, we are starting to look less like Sean Connery and more like Daniel Craig.
I hope you now realize that humans are, in fact, still evolving, and that we will continue to see changes in our body, physically and mentally.